So this is how you manage your books and handle payroll with your new small business. Let's talk about it.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and today I want to talk about how to manage your bookkeeping as well as payroll when it comes to running your small business. All right, it'll be a very quick video, very fast, so let's get straight to it. So first off, me personally, I use a company called bench.co, and I have my affiliate link in the description of the video if you want to try them out. And Bench handles all of my bookkeeping for me. So basically what happens is I have, payment processors like Stripe. I use PayPal a little bit. I use different payment processors, Shopify, things like that, right? And then if you send invoices, I have a few invoices that I send out too. If you're a service business, then you might can relate to that, right? And so what ended up happening is every single month on the first of each month, I'll send Bench my bank statement. I could also just have them sync to my bank account, but I prefer to send it manually to them. And so it's an online bookkeeping service, right? And I just send them my bank statement. I'll send them the statements from all of my payment processors, and then any type of credit accounts that I have, because I have business credit too, like business credit cards, as well as some business loans, right? And so I send them statements from all of those different accounts, and then Bench will go ahead and consolidate all of my books for me. So they put everything in a category, so they'll say, okay, well, this is what you spend on marketing, this is what you spend on, cost of goods sold, this is what you spend on employee overhead, everything, right? They do all the subcategories for me, as well as the income, everything, right? So that's what bookkeeping is, basically just categorizing all of your expenses and transactions as well as your income, all right? So that's what Bench handles for me, and so they handle all of that. It's only like, I think they charge me like $200 a month, but the payment, but the pricing, you can find it on their website and see how much it is, but it's very affordable. And at the end of the year, they put it all in one big packet for me to take it over to my tax preparer, so my tax preparer can go ahead and do my taxes for me. And it's all set up. Everything's nice and easy and straightforward. So if you want bookkeeping service, I recommend, if you can afford to pay someone else to do it, which most of you probably can as a business owner, it's only like $200 anyway or less. So definitely check out bench.co, okay? Now the other route that you can use is just simply doing it yourself, all right? So every time you have a transaction that's made in your company, you just have to go in and track it. So I started off using a company called QuickBooks.com. So I was using QuickBooks online, but eventually I did switch over to Wave, and then as I said, after Wave I ended up going to Bench. But before Bench I was using a company called Wave, okay? So waveapps.com. I actually have a tutorial on my channel. I'll try to add into the cards up in the top corner of this video, right? And so Wave is free to use. That's why I like waveapps.com. And again, it does the same thing, can track everything, but it's free. And so they do have some paid features that you can add on, like for payroll service and things like that. But Wave Apps is great because you can accept payments through them. You can do your bookkeeping, all of that type of stuff. So I recommend Wave Apps if you don't have a budget to pay Bench to sign up for their bookkeeping service, all right? Now, as far as payroll, the way I handle my payrolls, a lot of people use Paychecks, and they use what is this? And I forgot the other one. I think it's Paydex or something like that. But what I use is SunTrust. Okay, SunTrust Bank. They only charge $50 a month, and that's up to 99 employees. So you can literally hire as many people as you want. Up to 99, right? And it's only $50 a month. So that's just a still of a deal. It's very easy to use. It's online, and the program is very intuitive. You would think, at least I thought, that with it being a bank, their system is going to be a little old and dated looking, but it's actually very intuitive. Very modern looking. It's easy to use site. So that's what I recommend. I recommend Bench for bookkeeping because that's what I use. And if you can't afford to use Bench, then definitely try waveapps.com. And then for your payroll, I recommend SunTrust. All right, but if you don't want to use SunTrust, then also you can go through a company like Wave Apps or QuickBooks and do it yourself. All right. So in a nutshell, that's what I recommend for as far as your bookkeeping and for your payroll. And hopefully this quick video was able to help you. I'm AJ Simmons, and by the way, if you haven't started your cleaning company yet, or a small business in general, consider a cleaning company, all right? Because I help people get started with cleaning services, commercial cleaning companies, at cleanbiznetwork.com. So check us out. We got cleaning business starter kits available, and the reason why I always recommend a cleaning company for people is because that's what I started with when I got into my entrepreneur journey, because it's a low cost business with a very high upside. All right, so it's not that much to get started with it, but you can make unlimited amounts of money with a commercial cleaning company. So definitely check that out, cleanbiznetwork.com. And I appreciate you. If you got any other topics that you want me to speak on, leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to address that. Thank y'all. Talk to y'all later.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it. Let's go.